Using the Figma desktop app has a few advantages that make your workflow smoother. It runs faster than the browser version because it doesn't rely on browser memory, which is really helpful when you're working on large projects or multiple files at once. You also get fewer distractions since there are no browser tabs, and it supports better performance for editing, prototyping, and navigating heavy design files. Another benefit is that the app stays active on its own, so you don't accidentally close it by shutting a tab, and it integrates better with your operating system, making it feel more like a dedicated design tool. With that in mind, here's how to install the Figma desktop app on your computer. To begin, go to figma.com/downloads. This is the official download page where Figma provides installers for Windows, macOS, and other supported platforms. Once you land on the page, scroll down until you see the section where you can choose your platform. Select the operating system you're using. As soon as you click on it, your download will begin automatically. The file may be a little large, so depending on your internet connection, it might take a few moments to finish. After the download completes, open your downloads folder and click on the installer file. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Figma desktop app on your computer. When the installation is done, open the app. The first time you launch it, Figma will ask you to log in. This login process happens through your web browser. Just sign in with your Figma account as usual. Once you've logged in on the browser, you can close the browser window and return to the Figma app. It will automatically sync your login and load your files. That's it. You've successfully installed the Figma desktop app and can now use it directly from your computer without needing a browser. This gives you faster performance, a cleaner workspace, and a more reliable experience while designing.